Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Zoom with the meeting active and confirm you are signed into the correct account. Stay in the meeting window and do not leave or join again. Check that the host enabled telephone or dial-in options in the meeting settings before proceeding. If you do not see telephone options, then ask the host to verify audio settings. Locate the participants list and the More menu inside the meeting window to continue. These preparation steps prevent confusion and save time during the search. On desktop, click the Invite button or the meeting info link in the meeting window. The Invite panel opens and displays dial-in numbers and a list of countries. You will also see the numeric meeting ID and any required participant ID for telephone access. Use the copy icon or select the phone number text to copy it to your clipboard quickly. If needed, paste the number into your phone app or share it with another participant. Confirm the correct country and number before dialing to avoid carrier charges. On mobile, tap the meeting screen, then tap More or the meeting info area to access dial-in numbers. The mobile invite view lists phone numbers and the numeric meeting ID similar to desktop. If you do not see any numbers, then request the host to send the invite or paste the email copy into chat. As an alternative, check the calendar event for the original invite that often includes phone numbers. Save frequently used dial-in numbers and meeting ID as contacts to speed future joining by telephone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.